talagang naging woo. Pati yung motor sabi, woo.
Manibela is a good sample sa mga riding community.
Great. 2 words eh. Magkikita tayo ulit. Matatapos din kita.
For this episode, makikilala natin ang Team Triumph, ang isa sa mga pumasa sa hamon ng Manibela. At mamaya, babalikan natin ang kanilang makapigil-hiningang performance sa Manibela Challenge.
Okay, so sa team challenge kasi, di ba, ang kailangan is 1,000 cc or higher. So, ang gagamitin namin dito is the Tiger 1200 GT Pro. So, malaking adventure bike, mabigat, malakas. And kung first time mo talaga, intimidating yung bike. So, sabi ko nga, madalas tinatawag ng riders yung motor as kabayo nila, iron steed. So, para kang nagtitame ng wild Mustang na hindi mo siya masasakyan kasi nagwawala pag hindi ka niya kilala, hindi mo siya kilala. So, anong kailangan mong gawin? Kilalanin mo siya, paamuhin mo. Pagdating sa motor, saddle time talaga. Saddle time. Kailangan confident ka pag-handle ng power niya, ng weight niya. Kaya mo siyang kontrolin both on high speed and slow speed. Sabi nga ng mga coaches na nagturo sa amin sa training, madaling magpabilis ng motor. Pero yung slow riding, it's a different skill level. Kasi dyan mo mararamdaman yung bigat ng motor. Pag mabilis, lahat naman ng motor magaang. With proper momentum, magaang yung motor. Pero pag slow riding, dyan talaga magkakasubukan. So, it's just a matter of facing your fears. Be confident. Enjoy. Be excited. Don't worry about it. Parang, the more you hold back, mas lalo kang hindi mag-grow. Kasi every time you fall, you learn. So every pain, every scar, it teaches you something. So every time makita mo yung scar, it reminds you of something. Paano ko ito nakuha? Tumba ako. Ba't ako natumba? So parang, yun, flashback, reminiscing and all, and then ma-realize mo dapat ganito yung ginagawa. So hindi ko na ulit. It's some sort of a reminder. It's a painful reminder, but it's a good reminder. Pagdating sa camaraderie, I can say na hindi na siya bago doon sa team na nabuo namin. Kasi nag-reach out ako sa ilang riders, 1 or 2 riders who are willing, and then sila na yung nag-suggest, nag-recommend ng magiging teammates nila. Then ni-reach out namin, so nag-agree naman sila to be part of the team, and I can say na maganda yung bonding, maganda yung camaraderie nila, especially nung na-witness ko personally nung team practice namin. So, walang tension, walang pagalingan. So, lahat sila, nag-share sila ng tips and ideas, paano atakihin yung bawat section, bawat obstacle, para, kumbaga nagbe-brainstorm na sila on their own, without me telling them to do it. It's not gonna be a flawless attack dun sa challenge. Kasi talagang challenging din naman yung mga obstacles na pine-present ng Manibela Challenge. Pero I'm sure with the team that we have for Team Triumph and with the camaraderie that they have, yung bonding nila, parang ganun din. Kung ano yung nakita ko sa practice, siguro a little level up lang pagdating sa sense of competence. Madali na nilang ma-overcome yung mga challenge.
Nabalitaan namin, merong
event na organized by Manivela Challenge, and na-excite kami dahil it's about obstacle course na sa dirt, and we're using a adventure bike. So we decided, dahil excited kami, we decided to go to that event place, KDR, the night before. We left Las Piñas mga 9 or 10 in the evening, and we arrived at KDR around mga 1 o'clock. Pero by the time we get there, ang lakas ng ulan. So worried kami dahil lupa yung dadaanan namin. Yung obstacle course is magiging maputik, madulas, baha. But still, yung excitement namin, di namin mapigilan. So we stay there. We sleep in a car. Good thing lang is maganda yung facility ng KDR. At meron silang bathroom for us. We try to take a nap pero talagang wala, hindi kaya. Ganun yung adrenaline namin. And then, nung umaga na, napapunta na kami sa loob ng KDR, and what we have is a cup of coffee. Yung cup of coffee namin, it's enough na just to wake us up. Yun lang. Pero nung nakita namin yung venue, yung track, yung motorcycle, the Triumph itself, nawala talaga yung antok namin.
Nakita natin kung paano naghanda ang Team Triumph. Ngayon, kilalanin naman natin ang kanilang team members.
So some of them I know personally. Some I can say hindi ko pa masyadong nakikilala entirely kasi kumbaga tinap ko yung isa din, sunod-sunod na tinap na lang nila yung mga kakilala nila na sa tingin nila will contribute to the team. Diyan din si Daryl Divina Gracia. Isa siya sa mga riding instructor, mga coaches, veteran coaches ng Motorcycle Riding School Philippines. Back then, it was Mayotech with Coach Mel Aquino. So, isa siya sa mga coaches. And then, siya rin yung nagsaserve as, paminsan-minsan siya nagiging trail guide dun sa mga students or dun sa mga riders na gusto sumubok na ng trail riding. So, siya yung nagiging guide nila. Also, andyan si Sir Don Lopez. Si Sir Don Lopez is also a veteran pagdating sa mga ganitong adventure challenges, competitions. Nag-participate na rin siya, marami na rin siyang tinapos. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, Don Lopez represented the Philippines sa isang adventure challenge din. Considering din yung experience ni Sir Don and his skills, na-witness ko din personally during practice, na talagang binibigay talaga nila lahat. Ito yung hindi ko makakalimutan kay Sir Don Lopez. Nung scheduled practice namin dun sa KB Rock obstacle course, lunchtime, so tirik na tirik yung araw, lahat kami nagpapahinga, kumakain kami ng lunch. Siya tahimik lang doon sa isang sulok. Habang nagkukwentuhan kami, bigla kami lahat napalingin sa labas kasi may tumunog na nag-start ng motor. Pagtingin namin si Sir Don Lopez. And there's a lot more. Ito, si Boss Carl is also a member of the Team Triumph. So si Boss Carl is, he rides an adventure bike na sa 1200 category din. And he's been to different trainings din. So, I think nag-undergo siya ng HPD training. Nag-training din siya with Motor Clyde, with Coach Mel. So, talagang he's into enhancing skills. Kumbaga, sinasabi niya palagi, never stop learning. So, as long as there's an opportunity, grab lang siya ng grab. There's a lot more. Meron kaming import. Ang tawagin nila si Mr. Wu. He's a Korean, pero very much into adventure riding. Sabi nga nila, hindi na kailangan ng practice. So, kumbaga, tinatake ko na lang yung word nila for it. And nakikita ko din naman yung mga videos ni Mr. Wu. Convinced naman ako na he will do good or do well with the challenges and a great contribution din sa team. The rest of the team, hindi ko lang masyadong kabisado pa lahat ng mga pangalan nila. Pero with their credentials, yung nakita ko naman na profile nila and yung mga binabanggit sa akin nung ibang teammates nila na nakasama na rin nila sa ibang mga competitions. Actually, itong mga to kasi hindi lang talaga rider na casual rider. They've been all over the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, competing. Both for off-road, for adventure, road competitions, on-road competitions. So, I can say na yung competitive spirit is nandoon sa kanila. With the skills that they have and yung kanilang camaraderie and teamwork na nabubuo, I can say yung Movember will definitely be happy with the donation na maibibigay ni Triumph Motorcycles for the cause.
Isa-isayin natin kung mga pangalan ng mga lineup natin for Team Triumph. Siyempre, makakasama natin ang first na tatakbo si Don Lopez. Siya ay followed by Daryl De Vinegracia. Tapos si Carl Sena for the third. Then sa ating pang-apat si Maverick Azorin. Then si Vince Tagle naman for our fifth rider. Si Hubert Samya naman for sixth rider. Si Sir Wu Kyung-sun. Yan. Korean rider si Sir. Ayan. Number 7, siya ang pang-7 natin natatakbo. Si Pau Toral on 8, Ariel Ansaldo, pang-9, and si Mark Odulio naman ang ating pang-10 rider for today.
And
Okay
so
naman.
I think these are the Team Triumph is consist of some of the Enduro Factory riders. They are also coaches from the Ride Academy coaches. So medyo we have a star-studded team for the Triumph.
Oo nga.
Bro,
Yeah.
alam mo ba, nakita ko pa lang yung mga pangalan nila sa monitor. Grabe, nakakakilabot na.
Diba?
Mga rider to ng ng mga production ng mga motor eh.
Yes, actually they were competing for the 100 Enduro sa mga Enduro Cross. And yung mga pangalan na nakalagay dyan is talagang star-studded.
Para sa mga viewers natin, ang Team Triumph po, ang gamit nilang motorsiklo dito ay 1,200cc.
Yes.
Yan. So makita natin dito na lahat ng ating miyembro, mga participants ay 1,000cc pataas para sa ating team category.
Which is yun ang required para sa team.
Yan, siguro ready na yung ating
Start na,
first
sumisigaw
rider
na.
for today. Ang
Our
ating
first-
first rider, of course,
Si Don Lopez.
Don Lopez. Yan, I think he's already prepping up. And he's using a Triumph Tiger. Ayan.
Last 10 seconds.
Okay, para sa mga viewers natin.
4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Nag-umpisa na po.
Don Lopez is now using a Triumph Scrambler 1,000cc.
Nasungkit nga ng Team Triumph ang 4th place sa Manibela Challenge Season 1. At sila ay nag-uwi ng tumataginting na 100,000 pesos. Kaya stay tuned for more off-road actions dito po sa ating special episode ng Manibela Challenge.
Nung practice day, mataas ang confidence namin dahil dry at naglalaro na lang kami nung practice day dahil practice lang naman. Pero nung race day, sobrang dulas. Talagang hindi namin expect na ganito kadulas. Tapos yung gulong namin, talagang puro putik na.
Grabe, yan ang isa sa pinakamahirap yata dito. Talagang
Ayan, dahil kasi syempre maputik.
maputik, madulas.
So medyo nag-out of line si Sir Don.
Yes, diyan mo makikita kung gaano kagaling talaga yung rider. Nakatayo kagad siya kahit natutumba yung motor.
Oo. And
Grabe yung kanyang muscle reflex, brother. Oh.
Yes.
Well, lahat mahirap kasi again, wala kaming traction. Kahit na konting lean angle lang ang gawin namin, talagang dumudulas siya. Tapos yung madali, wala rin madali eh. Lahat mahirap eh.
Actually, first time kong mag-ride sa ganitong klaseng event. So, para sa akin, super challenging talaga siya. Kasi nag-practice ako dito, tuyo. Pero dahil ngayon, basa. So, yung na-practice natin ng tuyo, medyo mas mas mahirap ngayon. Mas talagang technical talaga siya.
Ready na po.
Ready na ang ating
Ready
next
na.
rider. Sino nga ba ang ating second rider?
Si Daryl Divinagracia.
Yep.
Yan, Sir
At
Daryl.
gamit niya ngayon ang Triumph 1200
Tiger. Wow.
Oh, yes. Okay, so nag-down yung bike ni Sir Darrell. At tignan nyo kung gaano kabilis na tinayo lang, di ba?
I think
Parang
madulas
prepared
talaga
siya.
yung lupa, no?
Oo.
Kasi supposedly dapat this road is just an easy one, easy
Yes.
track.
Yun ang nakakadagdag sa challenge natin, yung road condition ngayon. Ano?
Actually, walang madali. Lahat halos mahirap talaga. Skills talaga ang pinag-uusapan.
Challenging talaga ngayon, extra challenging since umulan, malambot yung gravel, malambot yung putik, basa. So as in, wala kaming traction even if naka-prepare yung tires namin for this situation, talagang hindi nagbibigay yun ng traction yung ground.
Ito, import from Korea. Sir Wu.
Korea,
Kyungson.
no?
Oo. Okay, I think ready na si Sir Wu. And everyone's ready as well. Timer, let's begin. 10 seconds. 5,
Riders ready.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Tingnan mo, tinatayuan lang niya, bro.
Di ba yung switchback? Kitang-kita mo naman, talaga naman kakabahan ka. Oy, yun, ganun pala yun.
And last obstacle, ang ating elephant turn.
Yan.
Kita mo naman, binalagbag lang niya, talagang naging woo. Pati yung motor sabi, woo.
We're very satisfied naman with the performance of the entire team. Despite yung condition ng track kanina kasi nga medyo sobrang maputik, madulas na. Pero despite the condition of the track nga, due to rain and mud, I can say naman na they've given it their all. Maganda naman din yung naging time nila. And happy kami kasi walang injuries.
At yan ang performance ng Team Triumph sa nakalipas na Manibela Challenge. Nakita natin ang lahat ng team member nila kung paano nag-perform at nakalagpas sa mga challenges. Pero ano kaya ang motivation sa likod ng performance na ito?
Nasungkit nga ng Team Triumph ang 4th place sa Manibela Challenge Season 1. At sila ay nag-uwi ng tumataginting na 100,000 pesos.
Dahil nga yan sa charity event ng Manibela Challenge. Kilalanin naman natin ang kanilang chosen beneficiary. Ang kanilang napili ay ang Movember.
Triumph is an avid supporter of charity kasi so we support our own charitable institution which is Movember, which is also the beneficiary of the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. So for the longest time, Triumph has been supporting this group through the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. So it's been running for 10 years now, and laging sinusupport ni Triumph Motorcycles ang DGR at the same time supporting Movember as the recipient. So nalaman namin na Manibela Challenge is for a charitable cause din. We came up with the decision to build or to start our team to represent the Triumph Motorcycles dun sa Manibela Challenge. Like what I've said, kaya namin grinab yung opportunity na maka-join sa Manibela Challenge. It's because parehas kami ng nakikita. Parehas yung gustong mangyari ni Manibela Challenge with what Triumph is doing. So we are supporting Movember because Just like Manibela Challenge, you're promoting camaraderie amongst riders and also doing this for charity.
Okay, ang Distinguished Gentleman's Ride ay taunang ride. Kumbaga parang sa atin ay alay lakad. Ito naman ay mga classic na motorsiklo, classic styled and customized motorcycles na pumaparada o nag-organize kami ng parade around the city para magkaroon ng awareness ang mga tao and also nagka-campaign para lumikom ng mga pondo, which is ginagawa ito internationally taon-taon kada third Sunday of May. So yun yung main activity ng Distinguished Gentleman's Ride.
We are helping Manibela Challenge promote yung very noble cause of supporting these charitable institutions. I'm sure each team has their own charitable groups to support na pinili nila. For us, it's Movember kasi pasok dun sa culture, pasok dun sa gustong mag-visualize or gustong mangyari ni Triumph Motorcycles. So, it's good lang na align din with the Manibela Challenge. Regardless anong brand dala mo, you're on two wheels, brothers and sisters tayo. So that alone is a very, very good achievement na on the camaraderie side. And yung to bring awareness to a lot more riders worldwide, hindi lang sa mga riders. Kasi the people they know, once they post it on their social media accounts, malalaman ng maraming tao kahit hindi riders. So parang dadami yung magsusupport, dadami yung makakaalam na prostate cancer, men's mental health is already yung research is already progressing because may mga support na nanggagaling from riders in different parts of the world.
Nagpapasalamat kami sa Triumph Motorcycle Philippines dahil napili nila pa rin ang Movember Foundation through Distinguished Gentleman's Ride na maging beneficiary at maidagdag dun sa nalikom namin na pera through DGR last May. So yun, nagpapasalamat kami sa inyo. And of course sa UNTV and Manibela Challenge.
Abangan pa natin ang ibang team na sumabak sa ating challenge, mga kamanibela.
Kaya stay tuned for more off-road actions dito po sa ating special episode ng Manibela Challenge.
Palaging tandaan, mata sa kalsada,
Kamay sa Manibela.